might be all wet from my sweat right now.
Please don't trust them, please! Don't trust the doctors!
Was that guy handsome?
And to my new friends just now coming in, hello and welcome. My friends with the white balloon with the red X. Once you make your way all the way down to the front, I'm going to collect that balloon from you. And now you are going to hold the line right here.
What's it like to be dead?
Feels normal.
Hey everyone, it is Quickened. And before I get into today's video, I just wanted to pop in to say that the video might seem a little incohesive, and that is because I actually lost my memory card while I was filming this video. So Terror Behind the Walls, Eastern State Penitentiary Haunted House invited me and Rosie to come and film and do like a character makeover and stuff like that, and we also walked through the haunted house. And I believe sometime in between like me taking off my sweatshirt to get my makeup done, my memory card fell out of my pocket. Keeping my memory card in my pocket was like just blatantly irresponsible, but the way I also edit my videos is I just kind of switch between like 3 memory cards that I keep in circulation. And you guys know I've been pre-filming and none of that content was on my computer. I lost some content from that day, but sadly enough, I also lost the content from like the last couple months of stuff I've been working on. So I'm trying to digest this experience and move on. So I wanted to pop into this video and be like, if it seems like a little bit choppy at some parts, tend to work between 2 cameras, so you might recognize this guy. Basically any footage taken with this camera in like the last 2 months is just gone, which is fine I guess. But I have videos coming up in the future where like they were low-key, so I filmed with that camera. Or like I had a second angle. Instead of crying about it, why would I bully myself right now? Instead of like focusing on it too much, maybe just like in the next couple months, if there's like missing footage or something, I'll have like a little happy icon that pops onto screen and you'll be like, oh, this indicates that there was more footage, but that footage was lost. And I really don't want to take anything away from the experience that was offered to Rosie and I. Like, it was a really dope experience, and their like PR social media person was like super nice to us and made sure that we were like super accommodated. It wasn't until I realized when I got home that I didn't have the memory card, and I went back to Eastern State to look for it, but I wasn't allowed back onto the campus, so someone else went to look for it and they said that the room had been cleaned for the night, so it was likely that the memory card was thrown out. And like desperately I was like, can I go through the trash? And they were like, no. And I was like, all right, fair, but you also don't get it. I've irresponsibly filmed like 2 months of footage on 1 single memory card, and yeah, I should have external hard drive. I don't know, kind of a wake-up call. I need to completely change probably how I capture footage and store it. So if you guys, Olive is crazy. If you guys recommend like an external hard drive that you use, please let me know. The next couple months I'm going to be dealing with the loss of footage. Mostly I lost a lot of Kay's footage, but my own as well, like a lot of stuff from my living room and my bedroom, and it sucks. No one that night understood. When you say like, I lost my memory card, people are like, you alright? But I should have been like, I lost hours of footage that supplements my career. I had an awesome time at Eastern State, and I would hate to like overshadow that. Obviously a human error on like 100% my part. This was supposed to be the intro. Eastern State Penitentiary, if you didn't know, it's kind of this like literal prison that's in Fairmount in Philadelphia. If you ever go to Fairmount to hang out, you'll be like, is that a castle just randomly right there? And you're kind of just like, yeah, who cares if like you're local. But during the year, they offer like museum visits inside of this prison, like tours, and then all the money generated during the Halloween season goes into preservation of this like historical place. And it's really interesting, and I'm glad that it's like a landmark in Philadelphia that hasn't been destroyed. So I know it's like a pretty cool place. Like I think they have weddings there and stuff too. But anyway, it's pretty awesome. You might know Mikey from Glam & Gore. She got all of her like special effects makeup training, and like that was kind of like her jump off there as well. So when they contacted me, I was like, no way. Like Mikey's been a YouTuber I've been following for years. This is pretty tight. Today, I want to share with you my experience there and the footage and the makeover, and it was really cool. So me, like, with awful kitchen lighting at like 7 o'clock in the morning, like, here we go. What? Some guy just blew in my ear. Okay, we're here. We're at Terror Behind the Wall. And you're scared? Too young to not. I'm not as scared, but we're here. Alright, we'll hit you with more information. We're here for the whole night. We have the GoPro and we're about to go through. This is Philadelphia's like #1 haunted house attraction. And so there's an option to be more scared, but we're not gonna do it. We're gonna do like an option for them to touch you. We're opting out. But opting in to being here. So thanks Terror Behind the Walls for inviting us and letting us spend the night with you guys.
You didn't opt for the necklace? Wait, I think that girl plays Pokemon Go. Scary. What?
Lockdown, Mr. Control, lockdown, Mr. Control. We have to go around, we have to go around.
Why are we with like 10 people? Yo! Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay. That was crazy. Sorry. Wait, don't come back. Guys, don't leave us. Oh, jeez. I already know. The floor is soft. We lost our group, so it's us again.
No, we're finding them right now.
I know. Yeah, we just speed up.
Mom?
Sis?
I don't want to be first.
Jeez. I'm scared of those desks behind us too.
Mom?
You ever had your face peeled like an onion? They say it's good to try new things.
You hear that clean and clear?
Mom,
Got me. I don't know. My bangs!
Oh, dubstep, that's so scary.
It is. I know those boys.
Who?
Dubstep boys. Is it so scary that we're holding this rope?
You heard that? He said, you can't have it tonight.
Thank you. Damn it. I'm last every time.
And these glasses are the only source of protection from the infected.
Thank you.
Oh my God.
Got it, man. Come join us.
Man, that would have been a good selfie.
Oh shoot! Oh my god!
Alright, breakout. Let's break out this way.
Lewis, what line?
Break out.
How fast do you have to be every night?
Depends on the look. I have anywhere from 5 minutes to the lesser looks, 45.
They keep it over. Great. Exactly. They keep meaning to go and like run a few hours, things like that. Certain places make sure they feel like they spoil themselves. Feel like they're not going to be
What's it like to be dead?
actually in one of the cells in this speakeasy at Terror Behind the Walls. I just received my makeover, which is the infirmary look in one of the houses at Terror Behind the Walls, which is actually open past Halloween up until the second week of November. Oh, that wasn't a good one. Me too. Okay, I wanted to go to this CVS, but it's closed. But that's probably for the best. My camera is having a hard time focusing on me. Is it because I'm not alive? It's not really nice. I'm so sick that Tara invited me. That couldn't be more dope. The haunted house was really scary, and Rosie and I think our favorite part was the 3D room. Like, your senses get really messed up, so you become really disoriented on like where you are. I think that is really cool. I'm like scared to walk around dressed like this. I think I'm gonna get knocked out, but let's go.